She made a strong blank on the interviewer. The answer is impression. Make an impression equals affect someone's opinion. A strong impression. Can you blank me a favor? The answer is do. Do someone a favor is the correct collocation. Do me a favor. He blank a mistake on the final exam. The answer is made. Make a mistake. Always make, not do. Make a decision. Make progress. I need to blank an appointment with the dentist. The answer is make. Make an appointment is the standard collocation. Let's blank a break before the next session. The answer is take. Take a break is the correct collocation. Also, take a shower, take a walk. She blank her best to win the competition. The answer is did. Do your best equals try your hardest. She did her best. The company is blank good progress this year. The answer is making. Make progress is the correct collocation. Making good progress. He blank attention during the entire lecture. The answer is paid. Pay attention is the correct collocation. Pay attention to details.